Hello, beautiful and wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Georgina. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. In fact, you're welcome. And please make sure you stay because I have a lot of recipe to share with you. In today's recipe, I'm going to share with you how to make sausage rolls. If you're a sausage lover, this recipe is best for you. You're going to love it because it turned out so delicious. It's yumicious, and I hope you're going to give this a try. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add in your flour. So the list and amount of the ingredients will be listed in the comment section below. Add in baking powder, salt, and grated nutmeg. Mix it until well combined and add in the butter. So I was having butter in my fridge at the moment, so I use butter, but then you can use margarine and it's always the same thing. When I'm making pie doughs like this, I use margarine instead of butter, but then butter and margarine, they are almost the same thing, so you can use each of them. Mix it until it forms a breadcrumbs consistency, just like so. And then when you squeeze, it comes together and it's easily fall apart, just like so. That means you're at the right point. Create a wall in the middle and add in the milk gradually. So the milk, I divided it into two, added in one half, and mix everything. You want to form a dough, so make sure you do not want the dough should be too hard, either too soft. So make sure you add the milk little at a time until it forms a dough. Do not over knead it. As soon as it comes together, wrap it and put it in your fridge or let it sit. Cover it with a cling film. Let it sit in the fridge for 30 minutes before using it. So after 30 minutes, I took it out from the fridge, took off the cling film, and then sprinkle a little bit of flour on my work surface. So I divided the dough into 3 equal parts. I just eyeball it and then divided it into it, but you can use a scale to divide if you want the same size, but it's nothing. You do not have to bother yourself to just divide it into 3 equal parts and keep the 2 that you're not using at that moment, keep it in the fridge and use the first one. When done, bring the others out and then repeat the same process. So I'll roll it with my rolling pin and make sure it's flat. Now I'll use a pizza cutter, or you can use a knife if you don't have a pizza cutter, and then trim off the edge. You want a rectangle shape. So I'll place the sausage in the other side, the edge, the edge, and then measure it and divide it into 2. So basically my sausage is the same as this one, and then the dough should be like 3 to 4 millimeters the thickness, just like so. When done, place the sausage at the edge and then roll it, just like demonstrated in the video. When you're almost to the edge, use the tip of your index finger to press it down or to flatten the edge, and then brush that part with a little bit of milk. It helps to stick to the end when you are done. So guys, this is what you're looking for. It should be like this when you are done. So you see my sausage is the same length, and then the dough too is the same length. Make sure you seal it well and then arrange it on your baking tray. And also make sure you line your baking tray with a little bit of parchment paper. Yes, with parchment paper. So as you can see, all the size of the egg of the sausage roll, they are all of the same size. So make sure you measure it and then cut it the same thing, just like demonstrated in the video. When done, brush on top with milk and then bake this at 170 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, just look at this. It came out so delicious. Just look at how it's beautifully baked, and then the back is sealed well. It's not open. It's so delicious. You can involve your kids into it, or your husband or your lover and they'll help you. It turned out so delicious, and I hope you're going to give this a try. And please give me a thumbs up, comment, share, follow my page, subscribe to my channel, guys. Let's grow up this channel together. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I hope you're definitely going to give this a try. Just look at this, Mamma Mia. It turned out so delicious, so yummy-cious. See you in my next video, guys. Till then, bye bye. Love you all and stay blessed.